Fears of rising tensions between the world's two largest economies have investors on edge across markets. That's as US Speaker of the House of Representatives Nancy Pelosi is reportedly set to visit Taiwan. Her itinerary has drawn an angry response from Beijing. It's warned that its military would intervene if US officials go ahead with the visit as planned. As a result, all markets in the Asia-Pacific region are in the red today. The Shanghai Composite is down nearly 2%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng is down well over 2%. European futures are also pointing to a lower open. Meanwhile, demand for safe haven investments is strong. Gold prices are climbing, as is the Japanese yen. For more on this now, let's go to Stephen Innes, who is managing partner at SPI Asset Management in Bangkok. Stephen, many thanks for being with us this morning. First of all, was this just an issue of time? And I'm asking because some commentators are saying a military action by China against Taiwan will take place at some point, with or without Pelosi's visit. Do you agree?
Not necessarily, but this has been dragging on for years and years, and I think this will be a continual hotspot. Taiwan Strait is a military hotspot escalation just waiting to happen when you really think about it. But if you look at what the cost would be of a China invasion, not only to Taiwan, but also to themselves, it'd be quite expensive. And, deferring to military analysts on this, they really draw parallels between Normandy and D-Day. And this is quite extreme. And I think this is something that may hold back China from a full-out escalation.
Interesting that you mentioned the cost, because I wonder, a potential crisis between the world's biggest economies, what sort of consequences would it have on markets?
Well, it would be, if we look at what's happened with the invasion of Ukraine by Russia and the immediate sanctions were put on place, it would just basically be a similar kind of economic meltdown. We would see a lot of global countries, especially the allies, ring fence China basically and stop doing all business with them. That'll create a lot of this, chaos throughout the world right now. We look at how supply chains were when COVID hit. This would be even tenfold more of a beatdown. So I think we wouldn't want to go down that road anytime soon.
Stephen Innes, many thanks for this update.
Thank you.